What's up and welcome back. We are finishing up our Boxyluxe. We did a BoxyCharm unboxing, which just posted this last video, so I'll go ahead and link it in the iCard, but also at the end of this video. In case you don't get Boxyluxe, I do have that unboxing. Today's video, though, is going to be on our Boxyluxe, which comes in a quarterly fashion, and this month happened to be it, so we're going to go ahead and get diving into our June Boxyluxe. If you guys are new to my channel, I hope you guys will take the time to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Otherwise than that, we're going to go ahead and get diving right into it. If I can find the weight information, I will go ahead and put something right here for you guys. So here is this month's theme. It does say a Dare to Dazzle. Item I see is by Nars, so I'm already excited, you guys. This is the Nars Orgasm blush, which I actually already do own, but I will show you guys a little peek of what it looks like. So here it is in the sleek black packaging. And then you open it up. Nars Orgasm is like a super iconic shade. It has been around for quite some time. So here is the one that I use. So here is mine, and then right here is the shade. The only thing I have with this shade is I feel like for my skin tone, it's a little too pale for me, and it does seem to flush me out a little bit. I like the formula that Nars has for their blushes. I just don't particularly like that shade. But I do have a couple of like their other shades that I really do like. I prefer more darker mauve tones or more berry tones. I just like a richer appearance on my blush, whereas this particular shade just tends to wash me out quite a little bit. Let's move on. We've got more to see. I do see this here in this pink box. This is the Pure Heals Real Rose Petal Sleeping Mask. The little packaging on here makes it look like it's going to be so pretty. Oh, something flew out. A little scooper here. A sleeping mask contains real rose petals and rose water to moisturize, revitalize your dry and stressed skin. Leave on overnight or rinse in the morning. Can be used every night. So here's the thing with these. I will definitely try it out, but I'm more of like a put on the mask, leave it on for a little bit, and then take it off. I've never been that much of a daredevil to put on a mask. Even though there are overnight sleeping masks, I'm not that much of a daredevil to leave it on overnight. Since I have very acne skin, you know, acne prone skin, I do suffer from cystic acne, that anything like that tends to very much frighten me, and I just feel like I'm gonna wake up and just have like a massive breakout. So I can't do it, but I definitely will do it as like a, you know, like leave it on maybe for like 30 minutes to an hour, just kind of lounge around, but overnight's a little too much for me. We do have an orange box here also. So this is by Elemis. This is the Superfood AHA Glowing Cleansing Butter. It is a pumpkin glow facial cleanser. So I think this is supposed to be like a cleanser, like a balm cleanser. It's orange. It really doesn't have a smell to it. I'm okay with that, but it's got like a whipped feeling to it. Oh, it does. It like lathers up. That's kind of cool. I prefer more like cleansing balms or cleansing, but whatever. I like cleansing balms a lot more than I like a traditional wipe. I actually don't care for wipes. Quite a few of them like just don't do anything for me. I do have here this big old bottle. This is like a like a lotion or something. I don't know. This is by Smith French Dublin. Fresh green leaves, aromatic hand wash. Oh, can't have too much hand wash. This is got wild pine, woodland mint, and rosemary. Oh, this sounds like it probably smells bomb. Well, I was gonna say, it's kind of strange to have hand wash in your box, but then at the same time, it's kind of like it's not, because it's like, oh, now you're like more appreciative of like soaps and stuff. Oh, that smells good. So I have this box here. This is the B-Flat Firming Belly Cream. Say what? It's supposed to improve cellulite appearance, minimize the appearance of stretch marks. What? Helps prevent and minimize stretch marks. Regular use will help you achieve a firmer looking belly and softer skin full of moisture. Well, shit, man. If this works, then sign me up. Holy cow. Oh, I like the bottle. Heck yeah. I'm all about that. Anything that's firming, gonna tone the region down there, gonna make me look nice and juicy and fit. I'm all about this. If this works, I'm definitely buying another. So you can definitely believe that I'm going to be using that day, night, maybe 2 times a day. Who knows? This is the we have the brow styler. So I did get the brow styler from Benefit. This is the warm deep brown shade number 4. I'm typically between a 4 and a 5, but the brow styler has like a triangle shaped wand. It's like they took the brow powder and then the other, their other pencil brush, and they kind of smushed them together. And then right here at the bottom, you get the brow powder. So I actually do own this. I actually don't feel like that's super warm for what I need, so I'm actually happy about that. I was a little nervous that it might be too warm, but I think that might actually pair very well. So here's the thing with this product. I like the product. I like the concept of it, the dual-ended kind of a thing, although the brow powder gets a little messy. And because when I apply it, sometimes like the powder will fall off while you're applying it and get onto your face. You have to be careful. Although my tip for using this is to take some sort of, let me show you. I take like a angled brush and just kind of use the angled brush and then apply the powder that way. It minimizes the fallout that falls onto your face, and especially if you have more like sparse brows like I do and you need to be more pinpointed on your areas, you can minimize like getting super messy. So that's just kind of a tip I have for that product. So next thing I have here is another, it looks like a skincare product. This is the Dr. Brandt Skin Changing Science Dr. Brandt Triple Antioxidant Face Cream, which is supposed to visibly smooth wrinkles and help prevent aging. So we get a lot of skincare in these boxes. This is a lot of skincare, okay? But I like Dr. Brandt, so I'm good. So the last thing I have here is in this little baggie, and this is by Moxie Lash. And I want to say Moxie Lash is a magnetic lash company. All right, so here's the card. It comes in this little baggie right here, and then it's got like the box. I think this is called the shade Sassy Lash. I don't know, maybe they just have one lash. But here are the lashes that I got with it. And then it does come with, it looks like olive and castor oil cotton swabs, and then a little tiny thing of the liquid eyeliner or the magnetic eyeliner that you need for it. I've seen people try these out and test them out. They actually look like they work really well. There are quite a few brands that do magnetic lashes. I actually own a few, and I have yet to try them. I guess I maybe don't reach for magnetic lashes because I don't find an issue applying regular lashes since I apply them so much, but I mean, that's kind of cool. I'll give it a shot. So the first thing I have here is the Elemis Superfood Cleansing Butter. That retails for $38. The Nars Blush retails for $30. The Benefit Pencil retails for $34. The Rose Petal Sleeping Mask retails for $55. Ooh. The Moxie Lash retails for $90. It's a Sassy Luxe bundle. That's a bit expensive. I know for sure I would never spend $90 on a lash box set with one set of lashes. And just a little parentheses, throw that in the parenthesis thing. The Maybelline B-Flat Firming Cream, $49. All right, if it works, I would definitely pay $49. That's all I'm gonna say. If it works, I'll pay the $49. The Dr. Brandt Face Cream retails for $64, which is a new launch, by the way. The Moxie Lash bundle is actually like a box exclusive, it says. And then the hand wash is $25. Yeah. Did you guys see that the semi-annual sale for Bath & Body Works is coming up pretty soon? I don't know why I thought of that. That's everything in this month's Boxyluxe. A lot of skincare, a lot to take in, but also some good, like, I mean, like, I'm happy that I got the brow styler in my shade, and the Nars blush is fine. So we did get quite a few good brands, a lot of great brands in there, a lot of great brands, a lot of very well-known brands. But you guys let me know down below what you guys think about my box and what you're getting, or if you know what you're getting in your box and what your thoughts are. And yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the evening. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of your day with me and time. And before you guys head out, I hope you guys will check out one of my other videos that I just recently posted. And thank you all again, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.